This message is being broadcast by the Department of Defense of the Republic. A paranoia affecting the entire nation has been detected. For your safety, please carry out the following instructions.
K-17PXVI has spread out. Your death is inevitable. You will no longer be able to rely on the government. Many news sources may have told you that K-17PXVI isn't a real virus. The truth is that it is a real virus. If someone you know is exhibiting symptoms, such as extreme shin irritation, extreme hunger, distinct changes to eyes, body decaying, please notify the authorities immediately. Throughout history there are many documented anomalous viruses. The virus K-17PXVI, or neurorot as we'd call it, is an additional anomalous virus found recently. These different viruses manifest in many different ways. For example, they may be simple fears, such as the fear of being alone, or the fear of heights/acrophobia, that create these anomalous viruses. The virus K-17PXVI is created from the fear of death, otherwise known as thanatophobia. If an infected were to enter your house, it will begin to make noises, trying to get a reaction. You must stay still and quiet, and they will be prompted to leave. However, if the infected notices your presence, it will begin to warp further. Once warped, the infected will begin to follow you for 10 days. If you survive the 10 weeks, the infected will leave. There are only around 2,000 instances where someone survived the 10 weeks. And now you know. We wish you good luck at surviving in this world.